Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check the music saved on Instagram. We start by entering our Instagram profile and then displaying the top settings and activity menu. After that, we will enter the saved option. Here, we enter the audio category. Finally, we can find the music and sounds that we have saved. We can click on one and use it in our stories if we want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.